If you master these 5 money principles in your 20s, you will set up yourself for financial freedom before the age of 40. This is not hype, nor is it theory. It is just straight up, time-tested habits used by self-made millionaires. Hi, my name is Davies and I run a pressure washing business now, but I didn't start with much. In my 20s, I made mistakes, wasted money, and chased quick wins. But once I learned these 5 money principles, everything changed for me. Whether you are a student, a freelancer, or just trying to figure out things, this will help you. So principle 1, pay yourself first. Before you pay rent, buy food, or touch Netflix, pay yourself. Put 10 to 20% of every dollar you earn into savings or investments. Make saving automatic, not optional. Broke people spend first and save what is left. Rich people save first and spend what is left. Principle 2, increase your income, not just cut expenses. Yes, budgeting is very important, but you can't save your way to wealth on a low income. Learn skills, start a side hustle, sell a service. Focus on growing your income than just controlling it. Money is a tool. The more you earn, the more freedom you buy. Principle 3, invest early, even if it is very small. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You just need to start. Time in the market beats timing the market. Use apps like Vanguard, Fidelity, or local equivalents in your country. Focus on index funds, compound interest, and a long-term mindset. Start right now, and your future self will thank you. Principle 4, avoid lifestyle inflation. You got a raise? That is great, but don't rush to upgrade your car, your clothes, or your lifestyle. Most people stay broke because they increase spending every time income increases. Live below your means. Keep your expenses lean. Invest the difference. Let your investments, not your income, pay for your luxuries. Principle 5, learn about money like your life depends on it, because it does. Read tons of books, watch videos, and follow creators who teach wealth, who actually practice what they preach. Money is a language, and the sooner you become fluent at it, the sooner you will stop being trapped by it. Make it your mission to understand how money works, because no one else will do it for you. Your 20s are your foundation. These habits may not look flashy right now, but in 5, 10, 20 years and beyond, they will be the reason you'll be free, not frustrated. Don't aim to look rich. Aim to be rich, quietly, consistently, and strategically. If this helped shift your mindset, drop a comment below. I am building real wealth, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos on business, personal finance, and building a life that actually works.